Bullish Algorand cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of 97 cents and $1.85 by 2030. Market examiners accept ALGO could reach 76 cents by 2025. Bearish Algorand market cost expectation for 2023 is 17 cents. Algorand presentation. The Algorand digital currency has experienced issues ascending past its ICO value since its commencement in 2019. When the blockchain collaborated with Coinbanks to foster El Salvador's digital currency foundation, the cost of ALGO flooded in September 2021. Despite the fact that it has accordingly lost most of these increases, investigators and sites that gauge costs are hopeful that it will one day again arrive at comparable levels. What follows for the altcoin, then? How about we analyze the Algorand blockchain's activity in additional profundity and look at its cost improvement? What is Algorand? The Algorand blockchain, which intends to answer the catch-22 of safety, speed, and decentralization, involves ALGO as its local cash. Algorand achieves this objective by making and approving its blocks through an agreement method called unadulterated confirmation of stake. How much ALGO a client wagers influences how haphazardly the block chief and approval board are picked. Algorand was laid out in 2017 by teacher Silvio Macaulay of the Massachusetts Organization of Innovation in the U.S., and its blockchain and neighborhood money appeared in June 2019. The ALGO coin cost quickly fell a day after presentation. Algorand basic examination. In June 2019, ALGO sent off its underlying coin offering with a $2.40 sticker price. Value tumbled to $2.16 on June 22, the primary day of exchange. This was just the beginning as the value continued to decline throughout the resulting months, hitting a low of 19 cents on September 27, 2019. This crash happened for various causes. The first was the 10 billion symbolic stockpile that would be conveyed bit by bit. Algorand said that 3 billion ALGO will be sold at public closeout throughout the span of the initial 5 years following the organization's foundation. Regardless of the great degree of public premium, the market couldn't deal with the monstrous measure of ALGO and financial backers' $24 billion valuation. One more expected. Consider the breakdown of the value of ALGO's money was private financial backers. Financial backers bought ALGO through confidential position adjusts, which fixed the coin's cost somewhere in the range of 5 cents and 50 cents. At the point when the token was delivered, it had a worth of $2.16, permitting individual financial backers to make huge increases. Previous Algorand establishment tasks boss Chen Fangfang addressed a letter to the monetary local area. The letter guaranteed that early benefactors had presented the drive to exorbitant dangers by undercutting and unloading coins, as indicated by worldwide coin exploration. Algorand specialized examination. In the wake of being added to Coinbase, the cost of ALGO's money expanded. It was one of the swiftest on the stage, as per Algorand. At the point when the news was delivered, the cost had ascended about 30 cents. Throughout the span of the accompanying year and a half of exchange, ALGO attempted to get past the 50 cents edge, not to mention outperform its underlying cost, regardless of a couple of increments. The money began seeing a bullish pattern toward the start of 2021. All through the year the token supported this development, in the end hitting a long-term high of $1.71. Like the previous cost fall of ALGO, various elements could have caused this increment. Stablecoin interest was the first. Stablecoins consolidate the unfaltering quality of government-issued money with the decentralized attributes of digital currency. Algorand has arisen as a serious option for stablecoin guarantors since Ethereum has costly gas costs. Through a coordinated effort with the transient currency market exchanging stage Instamatch worldwide, Algorand was likewise standing out. Algorand took care of millions of dollars of exchanges at regular intervals. At the point when FIFA declared its collaboration with Algorand, it showed that the organization would turn into the association's true blockchain stage and would offer the association's true blockchain-upheld wallet arrangement. The Q2 bull runs, however, were brief, and by mid-May, a far-reaching total implosion saw ALGO exchanging at 36 cents lows. Algorand is at present worth 21 cents USD. ALGO has moved 1.03% as of now with an exchanging volume of $58,965,059. Algorand is at present position 37 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $1,579,335,913 USD. Using the overall strength file, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal combination difference from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for Algorand to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation conjectures utilize continuous Algorand market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in light of current market movement. Algorand Value Forecast 2023 Algorand. from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The ALGO cost gauge for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, perhaps coming to 32 cents. Likewise with other digital currencies, the ascent will be continuous, yet no significant drops are normal. Averaging 30 cents in cost is very aggressive. However, it is practical soon given expected joint efforts and headways. ALGO is supposed to have a base worth of 26 cents. Algorand value expectation 2024 of every 2024. Algorand ALGO cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the likely declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of ALGO will before long outperform 54 cents. Nonetheless, we ought to hold back to check whether the ALGO's overall strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, ALGO will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 43 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 47 cents. Algorand value forecast 2025 assuming that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach 76 cents and ALGO might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. ALGO is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 69 cents and a low of 65 cents in 2025. Algorand value expectation 2026 assuming Algorand effectively supports market opinion among cryptographic money fans, the ALGO coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, ALGO will be green in 2026. The ALGO is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at 97 cents, with a base cost of 86 cents and a typical cost of 91 cents. Algorand value expectation 2027 after some broad determining and specialized examination. We gauge the ALGO cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $1.13 by 2027, with a base cost of $1.09 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, ALGO has a most extreme value worth of $1.19. Algorand value forecast 2028 because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028. We are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $1.35. In the event that ALGO figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of $1.41. Neglecting to accumulate the help ALGO needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $1.30. Algorand value expectation 2029 while ALGO is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry cooperation, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $1.52 and a yearly cost close above $1.63 in 2029. Algorand value forecast 2030 by 2030. Algorand will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $1.74 and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $1.85, averaging out at $1.78. Algorand